Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Way Coaching Classes. Easy Way Coaching Classes. So today we are going to discuss about conversion of radian measure to degree measure or vice versa, degree measure to radian measure. So it's a very interesting actually. So first point you have to remember is pi radian is equal to 180 degrees. So for 1 degree is equal to 1 degree is equal to pi radian upon 180. Okay, so value of 1 degree is pi by 180. And what is the value of 1 radian? 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by pi. So this is equal to 1 radian and this is equals to 1 degree. So if you want 90 degree, then what to do? So if you want to calculate value of 90 degree, then simply 1 degree equals to pi by 180, then multiply it with 90. What happens is 90 multiplied by pi by 180 is equal to pi by 2, and here so pi by 2 radian. So if you want to know 90 degree means how many radians, so simply multiply it by pi by 180. So here is simple point to remember that whenever you want to convert something from degree to radian, suppose I want to convert 270 degree into radian measure. So what I do, I simply multiply 270 by pi by 180. So whatever I get is in radian. So this becomes 3 pi by 2. So again one example, 45 degree. So I multiply 45 with pi by 180. So 45 4 pi by 4 is in radian. Okay, so 45 degree is equal to pi by 4 radian. 45 degree is equal to pi by 4 radian and 270 degree is 3 pi by 2. One simple point you have to remember, that is to multiply by pi by 180 to whatever degree you want to convert. So a generalized formula is x degree is equal to x multiplied by pi by 180 radian. So simply if you put x is equal to 90 means 90 degree means how much radian? 90 into pi by 180. So that results in pi by 2. So this is degree to radian. So if you want to convert from radian to degree, so here I want to convert pi by 2 radian in degree. So what I do simply is I multiply pi by 2 by reciprocal of this, means 180 by pi. Pi get cancelled, it becomes 90 degree. So pi by 2 radian means 90 degree. So in many calculation we know values in degree, but we have to calculate the values in radian. So this is very important. And again in some problems we need to convert radian to degree. So it's very basic and very simple. So just you have to remember that whenever you want to convert degree to radian, multiplying factor will be pi by 180, and whenever then value becomes in radian, and if radian to degree, 180 by pi, value comes in degree. So listen carefully last time. So if you want to convert from degree to radian, multiply it by pi by 180, and if you want to convert it from radian to degree, so multiply it with 180 by pi. So simple formula. Okay, so with this we end lecture. So easy way coaching classes will be helping you. Thank you so much.